Buttonwood tree on Wall Street to sign an agreement that would shape the future of American finance. This agreement, known as the Buttonwood Agreement, established the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, formally institutionalizing the trading of securities in the burgeoning nation. The NYSE's creation was a testament to the growing economic power of New York City. The city's merchants and entrepreneurs, fueled by the spirit of innovation and the pursuit of profit, were eager for a centralized marketplace to raise capital and invest in new ventures. The NYSE provided this platform, connecting investors with businesses seeking funding and laying the foundation for the nation's capital markets. The exchange's early years were marked by both growth and volatility, reflecting the dynamism of the young nation it served. The War of 1812, while disrupting trade, ultimately strengthened the NYSE's position. The conflict forced American businesses to become more self-reliant, leading to a surge in domestic manufacturing and investment. The NYSE, as the nation's primary marketplace for securities, played a crucial role in channeling capital to these burgeoning industries. A natural harbor of opportunity, geography, and the forging of a financial colossus. New York City's rise as a financial colossus cannot be solely attributed to the vision of its early financiers or the establishment of its stock exchange. While these elements played a crucial role, they were part of a larger tapestry woven by the city's unique geographical advantages and strategic location. The city's extraordinary success was also deeply intertwined with its unparalleled geographical advantages. Nestled between the Hudson and East Rivers, New York City was blessed with a natural harbor that was both deep and sheltered, making it an ideal location for maritime activities. Situated at the confluence of the Hudson and East Rivers, New York Harbor was a natural wonder, a deep water haven capable of accommodating the largest ships afloat. This natural feature allowed New York to become a central hub for international trade, attracting merchants and traders from around the globe. This geographical blessing transformed the city into a gateway to the New World, a bustling entrepot where goods from Europe, the Caribbean, and beyond flowed freely. The harbor's capacity to handle large volumes of cargo efficiently made it a magnet for commerce and industry. The Erie Canal, completed in 1825, further amplified New York's geographical advantage. This monumental engineering feat connected the Great Lakes to the Hudson River, creating a seamless waterway that linked the interior of the United States to the Atlantic Ocean. This engineering marvel connected the Great Lakes to the Hudson River, creating a water highway that stretched from the Atlantic Ocean to the American heartland. The canal's construction was a testament to human ingenuity and ambition, and it played a pivotal role in shaping the economic landscape of the nation. The canal slashed transportation costs, fueling an explosion in trade and commerce that cemented New York City's status as the nation's preeminent port. The reduced cost of moving goods meant that products could be sold at more competitive prices, stimulating economic growth and attracting even more business to the city. Raw materials flowed eastward through the canal, feeding the city's burgeoning industries, while finished goods flowed westward, reaching markets across the expanding nation. This bidirectional flow of goods created a dynamic economic environment that fostered innovation and industrial growth. The advent of the railroad in the mid-19th century only solidified New York City's position as the nation's transportation and commercial hub. Railroads provided a faster, more reliable means of transporting goods and people, further enhancing the city's connectivity and economic influence. Rail lines radiated outward from the city, connecting it to every corner of the country. This extensive network of railroads ensured that New York remained at the center of national trade and commerce, facilitating the movement of goods on an unprecedented scale. This vast network facilitated the movement of goods and people on an unprecedented scale, further concentrating economic activity in New York City. The city's strategic location and superior transportation infrastructure made it an attractive destination for businesses and investors alike. The city's financial institutions, strategically positioned at the heart of this transportation network, were ideally situated to finance the nation's westward expansion and industrial growth. Banks and investment firms in New York provided the necessary capital for infrastructure projects, manufacturing ventures, and other enterprises that drove the country's economic development. These financial institutions were not just passive observers, they were active participants in the economic transformation of the United States. By providing loans and investment capital, they enabled entrepreneurs to turn their ideas into reality, fueling innovation and progress. The New York Stock Exchange, established in the early 19th century, became a symbol of the city's financial prowess. It provided a platform for companies to raise capital by issuing shares, allowing them to expand their operations and reach new markets. The stock exchange facilitated the buying and selling of securities, creating a dynamic marketplace where investors could trade ownership stakes in companies. This liquidity attracted more investors, further boosting the city's financial sector. As the financial district grew, so did the city's skyline. Skyscrapers began to rise, symbolizing New York's economic might and its role as a global financial center. These towering structures housed the offices of banks, investment firms, and other financial institutions, creating a concentrated hub of economic activity. The city's growth was also fueled by a steady influx of immigrants, who provided the labor force needed to support its expanding industries. These newcomers brought with them diverse skills and perspectives, contributing to the city's vibrant and dynamic economy. New York City became a cultural melting pot, where people from all over the world came to seek opportunities and build new lives. This diversity enriched the city's social fabric and created a unique environment that fostered creativity and innovation. The combination of geographical advantages, strategic infrastructure, and a diverse population created a fertile ground for innovation and progress. New York City became a beacon of opportunity, attracting ambitious individuals and forward-thinking businesses. Over time, New York City's influence extended beyond national borders, establishing it as a global financial center. The city's banks and financial institutions played a crucial role in international trade, facilitating transactions and investments that spanned the globe. Today, New York City remains a financial powerhouse, with a vibrant economy that continues to shape the world. Its legacy as a financial colossus is a testament to the vision, ambition, and resilience of those who built it, and to the enduring power of geography in shaping human destiny. A city built by immigrants. How waves of newcomers fueled New York's financial engine. The story of New York City's financial ascent is inseparable from the story of immigration. Throughout its history, New York City has been a beacon of hope for millions of immigrants seeking a better life. From the early Dutch and English settlers to the waves of Irish, Germans, Italians, Jews, and countless others who followed, immigrants have been the lifeblood of the city, infusing it with their labor, their energy, and their entrepreneurial spirit. The arrival of these newcomers, often fleeing poverty and persecution in their homelands, provided New York City's burgeoning industries with a steady supply of cheap labor. Immigrants toiled in the city's factories, built its skyscrapers, and manned its bustling ports, laying the foundation for the city's economic growth. But their contributions extended far beyond their role as laborers. Immigrants brought with them a diversity of skills, talents, and perspectives that enriched New York City's cultural tapestry and fueled its spirit of innovation. They established businesses, created new industries, and contributed to the city's dynamism and entrepreneurial zeal. The financial industry in particular benefited from the influx of immigrants, many of whom brought with them a sophisticated understanding of finance and a hunger for success.